you want a shortcut to professional sounding leads, pads, atmospheres, and heavy bass sounds for your techno and melodic house productions? Then the new, ready-to-play Diva preset pack Circle Volume 2 is for you. Available now on productionmusiclive.com.
What's up guys, welcome back to the Sound Design channel. My name is La, and today we're going to look at this nice driven bass by Bohmer in the remix that he's done for Stephan Bodzin. I think the track's called LLL, I think that's correct. But yeah, let's have a listen to it anyway. Yeah, so it's another really nice warm bass, and typically in this genre, melodic house, there is a lot of artists that use this nice driven bass, but there's small changes to them that do make them sound a little bit different throughout these artists. With the chord progression here, or with the bass progression, we're just working up, I think it's in the D sharp minor scale it looks like. So we're going from G up to the D, which is the tonic, and then B, and then to the C, D sharp. So yeah, it's just a really nice progression. Then we have this really long sustained part here, which is very typical for Ben. So let's have a look at the patch, or we'll just recreate it, sorry. Solo this one here. So the patch that I originally worked from was from Bound to Divide's preset pack, and I used this wah bass. It's a really good place to start. It's just got like a nice sustained bass here. It's got this lag, but I just changed it a little bit and added the fifth. But we'll just recreate it all from scratch so you guys can see. So we'll go to Mini Poly, and I think I had it on these saws, I believe. Yeah, we'll leave that one down, that one there. And so we'll go up here and then add the fifth. So similar to the last bass I showed if you watched that video. And we'll bring this cutoff down as well. Yeah, we're close. We want a little bit of this lag here. We need to do the modulation again here with the lag, so we put this back on. This is very unique to Diva. I haven't seen this parameter or this modulation source in other synths, and it's a really, really nice modulation type, that especially for basses, it just gives a really nice smooth curve. And what I actually did is I made it so that the envelope slowly opened up. Because that's what I felt that his bass did. It was growing over time. I think I just need to put the tuning right. So this top one, this top voice or top oscillator is going to be down an octave. We'll just close it down a bit more. Ah, there we go. So they're pretty close in octave, but this one's just tuned down. They're playing pretty close together. It feels quite congested, but it's also making it feel really nice and warm. You know, a little bit of feedback, and typical for Ben, who's going to have a little bit of noise in there as well. And when you open the sound up, you're going to really hear that noise. It just really adds to it. There we go. We can put it into legato. Oh. Maybe better in mono. There we go. Put a bit of release on that envelope so it doesn't just shut off straight away. And there we go. That is the bass. Cool. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it was helpful and educational. If it was, drop us a like. Make sure you comment as well and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more of our content. Thank you very much, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.
Do you want a shortcut to professional sounding leads, pads, atmospheres, and heavy bass sounds for your techno and melodic house productions? Then the new, ready-to-play Diva preset pack Circle Volume 2 is for you. Packed with 100 interesting and analog-sounding patches that will make your tracks sound great right from the start. The Circle Volume 2 Diva preset pack comes with 100 accompanying MIDI files and a dedicated techno loop pack. Click the link to listen to the demos and check the bundles on the page. Available now on productionmusiclive.com.